Hi, I hope you're doing well. So today we're going to learn how to say Christmas and Happy New Year in Twi, because Christmas and Happy New Year and the New Year is around the corner. So you might want to wish someone a Happy New Year in Twi this year. Who knows, you know? So first of all, how to say Christmas. Christmas in Twi is bronya. Okay? Christmas is bronya. 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 Christmas bronya. Bronyada. Bronyada is Christmas Day. Bronyada. Bronyada. Christmas Day. Bronya. Bronyada. How do you say Happy New Year in Twi? The expression we use to say Happy New Year doesn't literally mean Happy New Year in English, but that's the expression we use in Twi to express Happy New Year. I hope it makes sense. So what we say every New Year or Christmas season to wish people a Happy New Year is Afinsiapa. 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 And literally it means like a good meeting with the year. Like, you know, when the year goes and comes, it's like you're having a good meeting with this new year that's coming. You know, you're having a good meeting, encounter of this year that's coming. The meeting, or yeah, something like that. And there's this response that you have to give when someone says Afinsiapa, and you'll respond Afinkombetwe. 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 Afinsiapa. Afinkombetwe. Afinsiapa. Afinkombetwe. And literally it means, may another year go and come and meet us again. Yeah, okay. May another year go, pass by, and meet us again. Okay. So, Afinkombetwe. Afinsiapa. Afinkombetwe. So during the Christmas and New Year's season, if someone says Afinsiapa before Christmas, it usually includes Christmas as well, because both, we use the same term for both the Christmas and the New Year wishes. Afinsiapa. And you will respond Afinkombetwe. Okay, so when I say Afinsiapa, you say Afinkombetwe. Okay, Afinsiapa. Afinsiapa. Afinkombetwe. Afinkombetwe. Sometimes when someone is wishing you a Happy New Year or Merry Christmas, they will say, I wish you a Happy New Year. Instead of just saying Happy New Year, I wish you a Happy New Year is Memawa Afinsiapa. Memawo. Memawo Afinsiapa. Memawo Afinsiapa. Me. Ma. Wo. Afinsiapa. Okay? Memawo Afinsiapa. And then you reply, Afinkombetwe. So the first word that we learned today is Christmas. Bronya. Bronya. Bronyada. Bronyada. Afinsiapa. Afinsiapa. Afinkombetwe. Afinkombetwe. Memawo Afinsiapa. Memawo Afinsiapa. We're going to do a mini quiz. And the mini quiz is going to ask you a few questions that you're going to have to reply. Okay? So, first question is, how do you say Christmas in Twi? A. Afinsiapa. B. Bronya. C. Afinkombetwe. D. None of these. The answer is A. No. B. Bronya. You ready? Okay. Afinsiapa. And you respond Afinkombetwe. How do you say Happy New Year in Twi? Afinsiapa. How do you say no in Twi? No. Debbie. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you. Bye.